Hi, in this video I will show you how to repair a lint roller. Now these pieces are really inexpensive, less than €1. If they are broken, you can just throw them out and buy a new one. But for the sake of sustainability, I'm going to show you how to repair them because everything else is working fine. But these pieces, normally it has to go in and it's stuck inside. So when we put this one in, basically we can use it. But after a little bit of use, this become loose. So when you do it, it comes out. Basically what happens is that here this should go in and it stays, but because we use it, eventually it damaged the plastic inside and now it just comes out, so it doesn't stay there. A few days ago I left a tissue in my pocket and I put everything inside the washing machine. So all clothes, they have this type of residual on them. I wanted to remove it, but then I saw that this one, which I bought them just a week ago, after 2 times use, now this is happening. Alright, so how we can repair it? I have created this tiny ring. You can 3D print it. I put the link of the G code and STL file in the description. Basically, we put this one here. Now the inner diameter of this ring should be large enough so that this can rotate easily. And the outer diameter is such a way that when we press it, we can fit it inside here. If I manage to put it in, basically it goes in and then you can press it inside, something like this. And what happens is that now this one does not come out. So you can put it in and start working with it. Now, of course, because the wall of this is very thin, if I make it thicker, then it will not rotate easily here. And you can remove some material from this and make the wall of this thicker, but then this can break. So this one is very thin. When you press it, actually it goes in and it applies a bit of force to the wall of this hole, so it keeps it together. But the force is not a lot because this is thin, so the force is not a lot. So after you put it in, maybe you should use a little bit of hot glue to hold it together if you want to make. So let's check it again. Go in. Almost tight, but you can also apply a bit of hot glue here so that it doesn't come out. So this is one way of fixing this lint roller. The second design that I came up with is to improve this one. Basically, I added a base to this because we have this large base. Now when we want to bend it, it needs quite a lot of force. So when it goes inside, the stiffness of this spring is very high, so it actually applies a lot of force to the wall of the hole and it does not come out. Also, I put these 2 sides so that it grips from both sides. And therefore, when we put it in, it will not come out. Let's see if we can put it in front of camera. So in this case, we need a plier because we need a lot of force. So we press it. I almost broke. We press it and then it should go in. Yes. So then you press it in. Of course, still you can hot glue if you want, but this one is very strong. It will not come out. So then you can put this one there. Use it as long as you want. So this is the second method. The link for the STL file and also the G code of this one is also in the description. Let me remove it. There is a third method that you can use to basically fix this, and that one you don't need to use any of these. You can just put this one here and then heat this a little bit, this side, and then press it. so that this one does not come out. But I didn't want to damage it, so I just designed these two pieces. Let's try them and see if we can clean my hoodie. Brand new hoodie, ready to use. See you next time. Bye.